Hi, I'm Carl. If you've landed on this page, there's a good chance you're feeling a bit like I was not that long ago. For me, life didn't go exactly the way I thought it would. A health scare forced me to slow down and really rethink how I work, how I provide, and what the future might look like. What I learned pretty quickly is that starting over, especially later in life, isn't about chasing big promises or overnight success. It's about learning practical, usable skills that actually give you options. So that's why I created Earnable Skills and why I'm sharing the Freedom Builders Club with you. This isn't a hype driven space. It's a community built around guidance, structure, and steady progress, especially for people who don't want noise, pressure, or unrealistic claims. Inside the Freedom Builders Club, you'll find people who are learning at their own pace, asking real questions, and building skills that can be used in the real world, and whether that's online income, creative work, or simply regaining confidence. I won't tell you this is the only path or that it's right for everyone, but if you're looking for a calmer, more honest way forward, one small step at a time, this might be worth exploring. If that sounds like you, click the button below and take a look. No pressure, just information. I'm glad you're here, and I hope this helps you take your next step, whatever that looks like for you.